Hello everyone. Today's PYMT problem comes with emotional damage. A JEE Advanced aspirant sent it to me and said he was stuck on it for 3 days. 3 days? Really? At this point, even the problem starts judging you. Look at the problem. 3 functions are given and there's only one condition it provided. FA is equal to GB. And we are asked to find out the h square a plus h square b. Like it's a warm-up question, you will try algebra and believe me, it doesn't work. You will try simplifying it, it will get messier. You will try your confidence and that also vanishes after some time. But here the catch. The catch is, the moment you start thinking in terms of trigonometric substitution, everything suddenly clicks. So in this video, I invite you to solve this problem together and we will see how one smart idea can turn a 3 days struggle into a 3-minute thrill. So I request you first try this question by yourself, because perhaps you will wonder, why didn't I think of this before? Let's begin. So here is the question, and in this we can write fx is equal to this 1 minus x squared divided by 1 plus x squared, and this I can write twice of 2x by 1 plus x squared. And once we notice this thing, that this is going to give us the idea that trigonometric substitution is going to work. So of course we can substitute x equals to tan theta, or let's say tan alpha, and then what we get it here is that f the x is the, so f is now the function of alpha or function of tan, and here what we can write is 1 minus tan square alpha by 1 plus tan square alpha. Similarly, this second term, what we get 2 tan alpha by 1 plus tan square alpha, and this will turn into the cos 2 alpha, and this is 2 sin 2 alpha. Now we can see that we have to substitute FA is equal to GB. So basically what is happening here is this x equals to a, I can assume. So I can say that the FA is nothing but cos 2 alpha plus 2 sin 2 alpha. And similarly this gx, so here I am going to simplify the gx. So gx I can write, why this color is not dark? Wait. Gx I can write 3 times 1 plus x squared by 1 minus x squared, and plus, not plus, minus 2 times 2x by 1 minus x squared. Again here I can write the b is equal to the x, and that substituting means I am substituting x equals to b, and that b I am substituting with tan beta. So that will turn into the GB is nothing but 3 sec 2 beta minus 2 tan 2 beta. If you remember the trigonometric formulas, so this will give you the reciprocal of cos, and this is just tan. Now they are saying that the FA is equal to GB. This relation, it means this quantity here is supposed to be equal to this one. But notice after that what we will do, that's interesting. So for that, what we proceed, that I have FA is equal to GB. It means we are doing this thing. The FA is cos 2 alpha plus 2 sine 2 alpha. That must be equal to 3 sec 2b minus 2 tan 2 beta. Now what we'll do after this is, so from there the problem is that this side we have the alpha and this side beta, and there is no connection given in alpha and beta. So these are kind of two independent variables, but at some moment they are going to be involved in different expressions, and those expressions are going to be equal. So in what condition this mysterious kind of relation will happen, we have to discover. So what we do there, that in this kind of situation what we simply do, we have a practice that this is alpha, this is beta, so can we just find out the maximum or minimum value of this expression this side, and also maximum minimum this side, and in fact it is going to be equal sometimes, like equal in the sense that suppose, so let's just find it. So you know this, that this quantity is actually recalling the A sine alpha plus B cos alpha kind of thing, and of course the maximum value of this quantity is going to be root 5, because the coefficient of cosine term is 1 and the coefficient of sine term is 2, and the mean value is negative root 5. So in this way we have got the maximum or minimum value of this quantity. In the same way we will try to find the maximum or minimum value of the right hand side expression, and suppose I am getting the minimum value of this expression as root 5. So this is only possible when the left hand side has the maximum root 5 and the right hand side has the minimum root 5, then the both quantities or the both expression, both sides should be equal to root 5 indivisibly. Also suppose I am getting the maximum value of this quantity as minus root 5. So I can say that okay, this is getting this minimum, this is getting this maximum, and again they will be equal at some point. So our prime goal now I have our prime goal now to find out the maximum or minimum value of this function. So what we can do there, that this I'm calling it any function t, let's say, and this t is 3 sec beta minus 2 tan 2 sec 2 beta rather 2 beta and 2 tan 2 beta. Now you notice that the sec 2 beta and tan 2 beta are related. How? We can write this thing as 1 plus tan square 2 beta square root, and this tan 2 beta will be as it is. And why we are able to write it? Because tan 2 beta, for any beta, tan is negative infinity to infinity. So there is no such problem in substituting this thing like this, and now I can say that this is a function of u, or let's say t, because I'm going to put t is equal to tan beta. So function of t, this is going to be 1 plus t square minus 2t, where t is equal to tan 2 beta. So all that we have to find out, no matter what the beta is, the minimum or the maximum value of this function t, capital T. So we can differentiate it and find it out. So let's find the derivative. That will give you 3 divided by twice of root over 1 plus t square into 2t and minus 2. This 2 and 2 will get cancelled, and we are getting 3t by root of 1 plus t square minus 2. Let's find the critical point as well. So for t dash t is equal to 0. We have to equate this thing. So 3t square is equal to 4 times 1 plus t square. That will give you 9 minus 4, 5t square is equal to 4, and so t is equal to 2 by root 5. It means at t is equal to 2 by root 5, I'm assuming the t is positive there. We can also take the negative, because let's take t is equal to minus 2 by root 5. So we have these two values, and we are thinking that maybe on one of them it is going to give the minimum value or the maximum value. So what we do now, we have to check whether there is a maximum. So we'll take this t double dash t. So I have this expression over here. We have to differentiate this quantity. So you notice what will happen after this is 3, and that is going to be the quotient rule. So 1 plus t squared and 1 plus t squared into 1 and minus t times, and that's going to be 1 by, not 1 by, it is root actually, and then 1 by 2 root over 1 plus t squared into 2t. So when we simplify further, what we are getting is this 2 and 2 cancel, and we have 1 plus t square and minus t square. So the bad thing already cancel, the t square on the top, and this is going to be 3 by 2, and so, and also 3 was there in the front, so 3 times we are getting there divided by 1 plus t square 3 by 2. Doesn't matter what the value of t you substitute there, they'll be always positive. Because the second derivative is positive, it indicates that at t is equal to 2 by root 5, I have the value minimum. So now we'll substitute this t is equal to 2 by root 5 in this expression of t, capital T, and we will hope that it will be root 5. So let's substitute it. So t of 2 by root 5 is going to give us, the expression is here, so 3 times the square root of 1 plus 4 by 5 and minus 2 by root 5. So that is going to be 9, 3 times 3 by root 5 and minus 2 times, there is a 2 by the way here, I am substituting 2 by root 5 here. So that will give you 2 into 2 by root 5. So 9 minus 5, 4. So 9 minus 4, that is 5. So 5 by root 5, and so it is root 5. So we got the minimum value of this t is root 5. So in mathematics sometimes we have to dare, we have to hope that this is going to happen, because the structure is like that. If there is no such hope with alpha and beta, of course we have the last hope with this max and min kind of situation. Still the question is not solved yet. So what is after this? That is not so difficult. You notice that I have now this, both of the sides equal to root 5, means cos 2 alpha plus 2 sin 2 alpha is root 5. So cos 2 alpha plus 2 sin 2 alpha is equal to root 5. And also I have this thing, 3 sec 2 beta, 3 sec 2 beta minus tan 2 tan 2 beta is also root 5. 2 tan 2 beta is also root 5. And notice what we have to find. We have to find out h square a plus h square b. So h square a, h square b, what is h by the way? H is this thing. Hx is 2x by 1 minus x square. So if you find out HA, so HA means 2a by 1 minus a square, that is going to be tan 2 alpha, because a was tan alpha. And what is HB? So HB is 2b by 1 minus b square, that is going to be tan 2 beta. So if you think in that way, we have to find out h square a plus h square b, and then we can get the answer. So from there I have to discover two things. The first is tan 2 alpha from this, and from here I have to find tan 2 beta. I don't think it's a difficult task, because from here tan 2 alpha, how do we find? There are plenty of ways. We can first find tan square alpha and then again apply the tan alpha, or first find tan alpha and then find the tan 2 alpha. From there also we can apply, because already we know the relation between the tan 2 beta and sec 2 beta. So we assume this tan 2 beta as u, that will be 1 plus u square. So from there we can directly find the u value. Let's try it. So for that, what I'm going to do is I'm dividing this entire equation by sine 2 alpha, so cos 2 alpha. It will become 1 plus 2 tan 2 alpha is equal to root 5 sec 2 alpha. And so I'm getting 1 plus 2 u root 5 root over 1 plus u square. So after that I will square both sides. So 1 plus 4u square plus 4u and 5 plus 5u square. So this is going to be 5, so u square minus 4u and plus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore u minus 2 the whole square is equal to 0. So u is equal to 2. Means tan 2 alpha is 2. Okay, now tan 2 beta, how do you find? Again the same thing. I am going to write it as 3 root of 1 plus u square and minus, let's say v square this time, or t square, and this is 2 t is equal to root 5. This time we are not that much lucky that only root will come one side. So I have this thing, yeah, which we can take it like this, and this is going to be 2t plus root 5. Now again square it, so 9 1 plus t square, and that is going to be 4t square plus 5 and 4 root 5t. So from there what we can get? We can get 9 and minus 4, that is 5t square, and 9 minus 5 minus 4, again 4 and minus 4 root 5t is equal to 0. So from there I have now equation 5t square minus 4 root 5 and plus 4 is equal to 0. So we got it this thing, and from there we can notice that there is a root 5 t minus 2 the whole square. There's a t by the way. So you can see that there's a 5t square there, and then 4 and then 2 to the, yes, that's correct. So t is equal to 2 by root 5. Now we have to find out the, this is tan alpha value and this is tan beta value. Tan 2 alpha value, sorry, tan 2 alpha value, this is tan 2 alpha and this is tan 2 beta. Let's calculate it. So we get it here, tan square alpha plus tan square beta, means tan square 2 alpha plus tan square 2 beta is 4 plus 4 by 5. So we are getting 24 by 5 as the final answer. So that's all for today. See you in the next video with some other interesting problems. Stay math active.